Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore estate planning basics for investors with trust and will detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by understanding the importance of estate planning for investors. Recognize that estate planning ensures your assets are distributed according to your wishes. Research the different types of estate planning documents available. Familiarize yourself with wills, trusts, and power of attorney. Consider how these documents can work together to protect your assets. Next, assess your current financial situation. Compile a list of all your assets, including properties, investments, and personal belongings. Evaluate any existing estate planning documents you may already have. Identify any gaps or areas that need updating in your current plan. Consult with a qualified estate planning attorney if necessary. Understand the role of trusts in estate planning. Learn about the different types of trusts available, such as revocable and irrevocable trusts. Decide if a trust is the right option for your estate planning needs. Use Trust and Wills online platform to help simplify the process. Start by creating an account on their website. Choose the type of estate plan you want to create. Follow the prompts to answer questions about your personal and financial information. Input details about your beneficiaries and how you want your assets distributed. Customize your documents based on your specific situation and preferences. Review your documents carefully to ensure accuracy. Once satisfied, proceed to secure your estate planning documents. Consider printing and signing your documents in the presence of a notary. Store your documents in a safe place, such as a safe deposit box or secure online storage. Inform your family members or trusted advisors about the location of these documents. Regularly review and update your estate plan as your life circumstances change. Stay informed about changes in laws that might affect your estate planning. Always strive for clarity and transparency in your estate planning decisions. Take proactive steps to protect your legacy and secure your assets for the future. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.